A very good afternoon to all the students and the parents present here. We are here for COVID-19 prevention program session 2.
Ha 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 ha! Ha 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 ha! Remember me? I am back. Ha 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 ha! Last time I met you all. I told you the story, how I was evolved and how you all gave me a new name. COVID 19. COVID 19. Ha 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 ha. Today, I'm going to tell you how can you prevent yourself from me. Wash your hands with soap for 20 seconds. You can see how you can wash your hands. First, water and soap, then palm to palm, between the fingers, focus on thumbs, back of hand, and focus on wrist. This is the way you should wash your hand for 20 seconds. Rub your hands well with a genuine sanitizer. Now, why you have to do all this thing? Why it is important? Importance of washing hand or using a sanitizer. Proper hand washing not only reduce the spread of me of COVID-19, it also prevent the spread of other viral illnesses such as cold and flu. If soap and water are not available, you can use a hand sanitizer with at least 60% of alcohol present in it.
Oh, now
Hey,
we talk
hi.
about gloves.
Hey,
Even
hi. I am back. Remember wearing gloves when you go out? So that remember always whenever you wear your gloves, you should remember whenever you're stepping out of your homes. It is important that you wear your gloves because every now and then sometimes we may forget to carry your sanitizer. If you wear your gloves, it will protect you from so many things. At times, whenever we are walking down the road, we may come across touching any object unintentionally, not knowing what virus or what germs that object may have. So, in order for that, wearing your gloves and stepping out is so important. When to wear your gloves? It is important. It is important to wear gloves when you especially go for grocery shopping with your mummies. You must be going with your mummies and seeing lovely red tomatoes and lovely vegetables. You may sometimes get tempted to touch all of them. Do you know? I'm even present in all of them. But remember, not necessary. It has to be me all the time. It could even be my friend, Mr. Flu or Mrs. Cold. They also can be on the vegetables. So wearing your gloves protects you from not protects you so that the viruses or any germs don't come direct contact with your skin. Remember, whenever you wear your gloves, do not touch any part of your face, especially your nose, your mouth, your eyes, or anywhere else on your face. Do not touch. The moment you touch, I am going to dance all over any facial part of your feature and I may enter into your nostrils or into your mouth. So remember, be careful when you wear gloves as well.
oh, now we talk about wearing a mask. Now, why is it important to wear a mask?
Teacher,
And when are we
I
supposed
can't
to
see
wear
the
it?
screen.
We need to wear the mask as soon as we step out of our homes. Not only out of the house, but if there's large number of people in the house, it's good that we wear the mask even in our homes. Like now, why is it important to wear a mask? Masks are very important as it's going to help you not to inhale an infectious virus. Now, when you're wearing a mask, the mask is going to protect you from the virus, that is the coronavirus, the infectious virus. Now, it's important to maintain social distancing. Now, this becomes very difficult when we are not wearing the mask. If you don't have a mask, you can use any cloth to cover your mouth and nose. Oh, it may happen sometimes that you're not having the mask and it becomes dangerous. So, no need to worry. You can carry a handkerchief or any of your dupatta or whatever cloth material that you have. You just need to cover your mouth and nose. Now, if you do all these things, I will not come to visit you. While the doctors are working to find a vaccine that will allow me to say hi without getting you sick, okay. Now, when you have the vaccine, even if I'm there, I won't be able to touch you all if you follow all the rules properly.
Whenever we go out of the house, it is compulsory to wear a mask and gloves to protect ourselves from coronavirus. Better safe than sorry. Whenever
COVID 19 will reshape our world. We don't know yet when the crisis will end, but we can be sure that by the time it does, our world will look very different.
No matter how much falls on us, we keep plowing ahead. That's the only way to keep the road clear.
We are in this together, and we will get this together.
Stay home.
Stay safe.
Stay healthy.
See you until next time. Bye.
Bye.
Don't forget to wear your hand gloves. It's very, very important. Then only you will be safe from me.
And don't touch
Bye.
your mouth. Don't touch your nose.
thank you, teacher.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, teacher.
Bye. Bye. So, Miss, now we have to leave the class. Bye, 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 bye.
Yes, bye.
Bye, ma'am.